Well, hello and welcome back, guys. Today is Friday, the 15th. I just wanted to jump on real quick. I have been monitoring the markets all day and I have not liked any setups. When I got in today, we were here and what we had was a ranging market. Let me show you guys the screen. We were right in here. This is where I got into the market today. So we had this ranging kind of a pattern here and I didn't care for anything. I didn't like anything that was going on here. So whenever it's ranging, I'm not interested. I need it to make a move. And so I monitored it and I monitored it and it just kept doing this stuff over and over and over. Up, range, down, range, up into the range again. And then finally, just within the last hour, we got a breakout of this range. And then it came up here and this line up here marks the previous low from yesterday. And what did it do? It respected that area and if you guys, what I did was I looked to the left and I saw that it respected this area before. Do you see that? So for me, once I saw that it respected that area before, I was thinking, well, I don't want to trade into this area. So when it came down here, I wasn't looking at this for any kind of a trade off this. Otherwise, this would be a good area to look for a trade. I could have potentially taken a trade here, but I didn't like how jagged this pullback was. I like a more controlled pullback. So I'm glad I didn't take a trade there. It would have taken me out anyway. I was looking for a very strong indication. So finally, we had it break above the zone here. And for me, when I see it break above the zone and stay there for several candles, to me, that's an indication that it's accepting the zone. So I went ahead and I took a trade. Once it gave me an indication that it wanted to go that way. Let's zoom in on it a bit. So it was right in here and it was on this candle. And once it broke above this candle, I put an entry down below it and let it come down and take me in. So and as you can see, look, guys, it's still going. I could have gotten full profit off that, but I'm already up 500 for the week, and I wasn't super interested in taking any kind of a chance at a loss today. Although I must say, this is actually setting up for another good trade right here. If we look to the left, we've now broken above these previous highs considerably. So we have nowhere to go up here. Should we do another live trade, guys? What do you think? We could do another live trade here because this is really setting up nicely. So we'll watch. If this thing gives me a little bit more pullback down into support, I'm interested. Although, no, this isn't a big enough push for me to consider a micro pullback. So I need a nice pullback into the zone. And then maybe we'll do another live trade to end the night. I'm currently up $50, and to me that's enough for the week. Okay, a little bit more down, guys. That's not into support yet. A little bit more. A little bit more. It's pretty close. Okay, so at this point, if it breaks above that, I would take it. Yeah, that's support. That's into support now. I'm really liking that. This is a really good setup. This is the first good setup I've seen all day. So let's look at it. Hopefully it stays put right in that zone right there. And then we can take a trade off the break here. About 30 seconds here. I don't like this. Big
Order submitted.
location here. If it breaks, well, terrible.
Order submitted.
I think I'm good here. Yep, I'm good there. I think we can be fine there. I like that push. All right, we're set up to take a live trade again, guys. So let's see what happens. Hopefully we don't get a loss. Really can't stomach the loss right now. Although it is what it is. It's the market goes whatever. It's finicky. This is definitely the best setup I've had all day. Don't care for what's happened there. I don't care for how slowly it's accepting my trades either. Part of me wants to do.
Order filled.
Let's see what happens. Go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. A little higher. Right where I'm at right now, this is where I would take my profit. Another $50, I'll be happy.
Stop filled. Order
right?
canceled.
So I just did another $50 because, once again, I am being very conservative right now. I just don't want to take a loss. So there's a really good setup. I could have taken it to profit, but I wanted to stay ahead this week for sure. Look at that. Would have gone to profit. So it was a good setup, guys. Anyway, so I took two trades today. And the first one, like I was saying, we had a setup where it was accepting the breakthrough of the zone because it's staying above here. It didn't have it didn't have a pullback and then a rejection. And so that's how you can see if it's accepting. And that would have been a good trade all the way up. But anyway, I think I should be up $100 now. Let's check my total. Yeah, 105. So we're up 105 today, which is really good. So for the week, we're up 106 minus commissions. So we're up, or 605 minus commissions. So we're up 585. And that's really good. That's a really good, strong, that's only for 3 days, 3 days trading up 585. So we got a really good start to this, and let's just keep going. I don't have much more to say about it. I was super patient today. I didn't get into the muck in the middle. I waited for it to actually, the market to actually pull out and make a move before I started participating. And I know that that's one of the areas that I've struggled in the past, being so eager to get any kind of a trade in no matter what. But I was really trying to be patient this time, and I really like this strategy that I've come up with, that it seems to be working for me when I look for the patterns that show that it is accepting a breakthrough or if it's rejecting. I don't take the rejections, interestingly enough, but if it looks like it's accepting a breakthrough of a previous structure, then I trade that pattern. And we got double top. It looks like it's going to reverse on us now. But anyway, so that's it for today. We're up 105. We're at 25,585. And we're looking good. This is on the funded account, guys. So we are working our way towards a payout. All right. I hope you guys all have a good weekend, and I will see you all on Monday. We'll come back. We'll take another look at this and see how we're doing. But so far, so good. Let's